everybody, Smelsy back again. I'm back with a little hobby baseball break. I got one box of 2013 Panini Select Baseball. Each box comes, as you can see, 14 packs of 6 cards each, and you do get 4 autos per box. Picked this up on a Black Friday deal for $38, so pretty cheap for 4 autos. I did just open up one, did really nice. It had a nice yellowish auto to 99, some nice Griffey prisms, so let's see if we can get something decent like that out of this box. Did not get any color prisms, so I think they're pretty hard to hit out of here. So I get 2 for a mini box. I can get them out of here. We'll save Trout for last again. Worked for us last time. All right. Alright, here we go, pack 1. Chris Sale. Mike Trout base, nice. Dwight Gooden. Ryan Howard. And Justin Upton, nice base pack there, but I did get a Trout. Weaver. Pedroia, Haywood, Beltre, Skills, Insert, Nick Swisher, R.A. Dickey. Todd Helton, Alex Rios, and we got a redemption card. Rookie autographs, Aaron Hicks. Not bad. It does say it's expired, but Panini honors expired redemptions. If they do not have the card anymore, they will send you a similar card best they can. So hopefully I can get that Aaron Hicks rookie autograph. I think it's just the base rookie autos. So not bad. And Cody Ashe rookie card. Upton and Derek Jeter. Nice. I don't think I had a Jeter in my last box, so kind of cool to get that one. Alex Gordon, Chin, no, Alex Rios prism, base prism, Aoki and Freeman. All right, so one more auto in these remaining packs. Max Scherzer. Whiskey. Ooh, another not bad one. Michael Wacha. Base auto, number to 500. I'll take that. Ooh, Thunder Alley. McCutcheon. Not a bad looking insert. Look pretty sharp as a prism. I did not get one of these last box either. Ball and Verlander. Alright, let's see if we can pull one nice prism out of the remaining packs here. Zimmerman, Pence, Kipnis, Red Hot Segura, Mark Trombone, and Para. Alright, last pack. Dominic Brown, McCutcheon, Bryce Harper Skills Prism. Nice. Nice bonus there. These actually sell pretty well. I did El Fuego Griffey I sold for like $35, so it's nice to hit the nice Bryce prism. I got back-to-back prisms, and Alex Gordon prism. Double prism pack. Nice. And we got Harvey and Jones. All right, let's box 2. 2 more autos. Pack 1. Come on, Trout box. It's going to be tough to beat that first box there. Chris Davis, Utley, Molina, Don Manley, Jose Scudero. Matt Kemp, Joe, old school number to 25. 13 out of 25. Oscar Gamble. The Prism Select Signatures. Nice looking card. Well, I have to say I'm very pleased with the autos. I was not expecting to do that well. Nolan Ryan. Skills. So, yeah, very happy with those. We got Gordon, Kane, Reyes, Grossman rookie. Only my second base rookie card. Tuve and Holiday. David Price, Phillips, Strasburg, Torrey Hunter Prism. Look at that cut on that card. That could be an eBay 101. That is wild. As you can see, it's way out of shape there. I'm surprised you can't see another card on the edge there. It must be an edge card. That is hilarious. Here's the back. I haven't seen an out-of-cut card that bad in a while. Pretty cool. And Bryce Harper. And alright, 3 more packs, 1 more auto to go. Pujols, Ortiz, Youngbloods, Segura. Let's let off a little bit. Ooh, nice Bo Jackson Prism. Cool looking. Matt Latos and Cabrera. Anderson, Posey, and Bruce Rondon autograph rookie auto, numbered to 750. Should be my last auto. Cabrera and Fuego, good looking insert there. McCallum and Kershaw. All right, last pack. Longoria, we got a Prism on Fuego. Edmund Wright, David Wright, and Fuego Prism. Cool. And a Todd Helton Prism. And Felix Hernandez and Torrey Hunter. So that is the break. Very happy again. I'm 2 for 2 on these. I'm only 2 rookie base cards in the break. A nice Mike Trout too, base. All right, and then Prisms. 1, 2, 3, 4, including that horror. 4, 5, 6, 7 Prisms. This inserts. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inserts. Have to see if this one is rare. Probably not, but. And the hits. Very happy with the 4 autos. So that's it for this break of 2013 Panini Select Baseball, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.